Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for another CVS Deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have the big hair event going on. That means we will all get a $10 off when we spend $40 on any hair care, colors, tools or accessories. How you get this coupon is through your app or you can go to the coupon center and print it out. And you can combine it with any hair care deal and still get your extra care box. I have some examples at the end of the video. I will first of all explain the deals by itself before showing you how to get them with the coupon. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video in case you want to print it out or screenshot them to help you while you're at the store. And let's go find some deals. Let's start with some Colgate toothpaste deal. The Colgate Max Fresh are on sale for $3.99 and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.98, get 4 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. Next toothpaste deal is on Crest. They are on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7, get $4 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on L'Oreal or Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 1 Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $6.19 and 1 Maybelline lipstick priced at $8.79. 2 will total for $10.98. Use a $4 Maybelline or L'Oreal Extra Care coupon and I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. I know the total for these items are for $10.98, but that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. That means the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT will apply. After the 2 coupons apply, you will pay $7.98, get 6 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next cosmetics deal I have is spend 12 get 7 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics. Pick up 1 Neutrogena lip gloss priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Use a $3 digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 7 back, making it just $1.99. Nivea hand and body lotion is part of spend 20 get $10 back, so you can pick up 2 Nivea lotions priced at $10.79 each. The 2 will total $21.58. Use $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $19.58, get 10 back, making them $9.58 or $4.79 each. Skintimate or Chic disposable razors are on sale for 2 for $15 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Chic razors, use a $3 digital coupon and you pay $12, get 4 back, making them $8 or $4 each. Gillette Shave Foam is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $3.79 each and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.90. The 2 will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get $4 back, making them $1.69 or 85 cents each. If you like Nature Valley granola bars or the Gushers, they are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. We still don't have the spend 30 get $10 back, but we have a spend 25 get 5 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per card, but I have 2 options for you. The first option is to pick up 1 Charmin bath tissue on sale for $9.99, 1 Bounty paper towel on sale for $9.99, and 1 small Tide pod on sale for $5.49. These 3 items will total $25.47. Use a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty, and a $1 digital coupon for the Tide. The 3 coupons will take off $3 and you will pay $22.47, get 5 back, making them $17.47 or $5.82 each. The second option is to pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and a big Tide pod on sale for $12.99. These 2 will total $25.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide pod and another $3 digital coupon for the Tide detergent. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $19.98, get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. The 12 rose cord bath tissues are on sale for $10.99 and they are part of spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98, pay the $21.98 and you get 5 back, making them $16.98 or $8.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners, and they are on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2, use the 3 of 2 digital coupon, and you pay $6, get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $11, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 of 2 digital coupon, and you pay $8, get 3 back, making them $5 or $2.50 each. Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 of 2 digital coupon, and you pay $6, get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. OGX Hair Care is on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $8.69 each. One will be full price, and the second one will be $5.21 because of the buy 1 get 1 40% off. These two will total $13.90. Use the 6 of 2 digital coupon, and you will pay $7.90, get 2 back, making them $5.90 or $2.95 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 Clairol Nice and Easy hair color priced at $9.99 each. The two will total $19.98. Use a 6 of 2 digital coupon, and you pay $13.98, get 4 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next hair care deal I have is on Cantu Leave-In Conditioners. They are priced at $10.29, and they are part of spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $20.58. Pay the $20.58 and you get 10 back, making them $10.58 or $5.29 each. The first option I have of $10 off when you spend $40 is to combine the buy 2 get $3 back for the Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioner, buy 2 get 4 back for the Clairol hair colors, and buy 2 get 3 back for L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners. Pick up 2 of the Fructis shampoos and conditioners on sale for 2 for $9, 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners on sale for 2 for $11, and 2 Clairol Nice and Easy hair color priced at $9.99 each. These 6 items will total $39.98, and that's within the 98% rule to use the spend 40 CRT. Use the 6 of 2 Clairol digital coupon and 2 3 of 2 coupons, one for the Fructis shampoos and conditioner and the second one for the L'Oreal Elvive. And the last coupon you need for this deal is the 10 of 40 CRT. 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $22, and you pay $17.98 and get $4 back for the Clairol deal, $3 back for the Fructis deal, and $3 back for the L'Oreal Elvive deal. And that will make all 6 items just $7.98 or $1.33 each. For the second option, I'm going to combine 4 hair care deals. Buy 2 get 2 back for the OGX Hair Care, buy 2 get 3 back for the Whole Blend, buy 2 get 3 back for the L'Oreal Elvive, and buy 2 get 3 back for the Fructis shampoos and conditioner. The OGX Hair Care is on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and it's priced at $8.69. The first one will be full price, and the second one will be $5.21. Pick up 2 whole blends on sale for 2 for $9, 2 L'Oreal Elvive on sale for 2 for $11, and 2 Garnier Fructis on sale for 2 for $9. These 8 items will total $42.90. Use a 6 of 2 for the OGX, 3 of 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive, 3 of 2 for the Fructis, 3 of 2 for the Whole Blend, and lastly the 10 of 40 CRT. The 4 coupons and the CRT will take off $25, and you pay $18.90, get 3 back for the Fructis, $3 back for the Whole Blend, $3 back for the Elvive, and $2 back for the OGX. That will end up making them just $7.90 or 99 cents each. For my third option, I'll combine 3 hair care deals. The first one is spend 20 get $10 back, buy 2 get 3 back on the L'Oreal Elvive, and buy 2 get 3 back on the Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioner. Pick up 2 Cantu Leave-In Conditioners priced at $10.29 each, 2 Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners on sale for 2 for $9, 2 L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner on sale for 2 for $11. These 6 items will total $40.58. Use a 3 of 2 Fructis digital coupon, 3 of 2 L'Oreal Elvive digital coupon, and a 10 of 40 CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $16, and you pay $24.58. Get 10 back for the spend 20, 3 back for the Garnier Fructis, and 3 back for the L'Oreal Elvive. That will end up making them $8.58 or $1.43 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for coming back to watch my videos every week. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.